SAP ABAP BADI online training. Learn and upgrade your profile from new skills and knowledge with experts trainer. Introduction to SAP ABAP Buddies. Business add-ins, buddies, are a powerful enhancement technique provided by SAP to extend the functionality of standard SAP programs without modifying the original code. Buddies are based on ABAP objects and are designed to provide a flexible and user-friendly way to adapt SAP applications to specific business requirements. Why Buddy is used in SAP? Buddy, business add-in, is a highly effective enhancement technique in a SAP environment, offering flexibility for developers and users to extend standard SAP components without altering core code. Key benefits include flexibility and customization, enables the addition of features, modification of existing logic, and integration with external systems without altering SAP's core code. Maintainability and stability, separates customizations from standard SAP code, preserving system stability and simplifying maintenance and upgrades. Modular design, defined as interfaces with specific methods, allowing developers to create reusable and interchangeable implementations, enhancing code organization and reusability. Object-oriented approach, based on object-oriented principles, using classes and methods for defining interfaces and implementations, improving code readability, maintainability, and reusability. Common use cases for buddies include process customization, data manipulation, integration with external systems, error handling and validation, and reporting and analytics. Overall, buddies are a powerful and versatile tool for businesses seeking to customize SAP applications to their unique needs. What does buddies mean in SAP? Buddy, short for business add-in in SAP, is a mechanism for enhancing SAP functionality without altering the core code. It employs object-oriented programming for flexibility and maintainability. Key features include encapsulation, allowing custom logic separation, and polymorphism for multiple implementations based on criteria. Buddies find applications in customizing processes, integrating with external systems, addressing industry-specific needs, and enhancing data validation. They serve as a versatile tool for dynamic SAP customization without modifying the core code. The benefits of using SAP ABAP Buddies. SAP ABAP Business Add-ins, Buddies, are a powerful tool for enhancing SAP applications without modifying the original source code. Buddies provide a flexible and reusable way to extend SAP functionality, making them a valuable tool for both SAP developers and consultants. Here are some of the benefits of using SAP ABAP Buddies. Increased flexibility. Buddies allow you to add new functionality to SAP applications without modifying the original source code. This makes it easier to make changes to SAP applications without disrupting existing functionality. Improved reusability. Buddies can be reused across multiple SAP applications. This can save you time and effort when you need to add similar functionality to different applications. Enhanced maintainability. Buddies make SAP applications easier to maintain. By encapsulating custom logic in Buddies, you can easily make changes to custom code without affecting the rest of the application. Simplified testing. Buddies can be easily tested in isolation, which can help to ensure the quality of your custom code. In addition to these general benefits, Buddies also offer a number of specific advantages over other enhancement techniques, such as user exits and enhancement spots. Multiple implementations. Buddies can have multiple implementations, which allows you to implement different logic for different situations. Filters. Buddies can use filters to determine which implementations to call. This allows you to control which implementations are used in different situations. Interfaces. Buddies use interfaces to define the methods that can be implemented. This makes it easy to add new methods to buddies without affecting existing implementations. Overall, SAP ABAP Buddies are a powerful and versatile tool for enhancing SAP applications. They offer a number of benefits over other enhancement techniques, making them a valuable tool for both SAP developers and consultants. Key features of SAP ABAP Buddies. SAP Business Add-ins, Buddies, are a key feature of SAP ABAP development that allows developers to extend and customize SAP applications without modifying the original code. Buddies are used to insert customer-specific logic into SAP applications at specific points in the code. This can be used to add new functionality, modify existing functionality, or implement industry-specific requirements. Key features of SAP ABAP Buddies include: non-intrusive, Buddies do not require any modifications to the original SAP code. This means that they are easy to implement and maintain, and they do not affect the stability of the SAP system. Flexible, Buddies can be used to implement a wide variety of functionality, from simple enhancements to complex business processes. Reusable, Buddies can be reused across multiple SAP applications, which can save time and effort. Maintainable, Buddies are easy to maintain and update, as they are not part of the original SAP code. Extensible, Buddies can be extended to support new functionality, as needed. Here are some of the benefits of using SAP ABAP Buddies. Reduced development time and cost. Buddies can help to reduce development time and cost by providing a standard framework for extending SAP applications. Increased agility. Buddies can help to make SAP applications more agile by allowing them to be easily adapted to changing business requirements. Improved user experience. Buddies can be used to improve the user experience by providing customized functionality that meets the specific needs of users. Here are some examples of how SAP ABAP Buddies are used. Adding new fields to SAP screens. Buddies can be used to add new fields to SAP screens without modifying the original SAP code. Implementing industry-specific requirements. Buddies can be used to implement industry-specific requirements, such as tax calculations or regulatory reporting. Customizing business processes. Buddies can be used to customize business processes, such as order processing or invoice creation. Overall, SAP ABAP Buddies are a powerful and versatile tool that can be used to extend and customize SAP applications to meet the specific needs of businesses. Getting started with SAP ABAP Buddies. Business add-ins, Buddies, serve as a crucial element in SAP ABAP development, enabling developers to enhance SAP module functionality without altering the core code. Buddies offer a standardized way to insert custom code into SAP applications, providing flexibility for developers. What are Buddies? Buddies are interfaces defining a set of methods implementable by custom classes. When a buddy is triggered, SAP searches for all classes implementing the buddy interface, executing their methods. This allows developers to extend SAP applications without modifying the original code. Types of buddies. Single-use buddies can be implemented by one class. Multiple-use buddies can be implemented by multiple classes. Creating a buddy. Use the SAP transaction to define the buddy name, methods, and type, single-use or multiple-use. Implementing a buddy. Create a class that implements the buddy interface, implementing all specified methods. Activate the buddy implementation using the SAP transaction. Using a buddy. Retrieve a buddy interface instance using the get_buddy statement. Call the buddy methods using the retrieved instance. Benefits of using buddies. Increased flexibility. Extend SAP functionality without modifying original code. Reduced development time. reuse existing code for efficiency. Improved maintainability, simplify changes to custom code in SAP applications. Examples of buddies. Buddy me _ process _ po _ cost, customize purchase order creation. Buddy SD _ customer _ field _ renage, add custom fields to customer master records. Buddy HR _ employee _ exit _ subher _ check, perform custom checks during employee save. In conclusion, buddies empower SAP ABAP developers to enhance application functionality, promoting flexibility, efficiency, and maintainability. Creating and implementing SAP ABAP Buddies. Business add-ins, buddies, in SAP ABAP offer a flexible way to customize SAP functionality without altering its code. To create a buddy, use the SAP20 transaction to define an enhancement spot and then create the buddy within it. Specify the buddy name, description, and whether it's single-use or multiple-use. Implementation involves creating a class that implements the buddy interface using the SAP18 transaction. This class must implement all buddy interface methods. Once implemented, use the call buddy statement in your SAP code, specifying the buddy name and a reference to the implementing class. Benefits of buddies include flexibility, the ability to change SAP behavior without modifying code, and easy reuse across projects. An example of buddy usage is in customizing the pricing process in SAP sales and distribution. In conclusion, buddies are a powerful and easily reusable tool for customizing and extending SAP functionality, offering valuable options for SAP developers. Configuring and enhancing SAP ABAP Buddies. Customizing SAP applications to meet specific business needs involves configuring and enhancing SAP ABAP Buddies, business add-ins. This process allows for flexible extension of SAP functionality without modifying standard code. Here's a simplified guide. Configuring buddies. Identify buddy, find the relevant buddy in SAP documentation or consult with experienced consultants. Select implementation class, choose or create a buddy implementation class for the desired enhancement. Configure settings, adjust settings like execution order, filters, and multiple use options. Enhancing buddies. Create implementation class, develop a new class for your enhancement code. Implement methods, add functionality by implementing methods defined in the buddy interface. Activate implementation. Activate the buddy implementation to enable your code when the buddy is triggered. Tools for configuration. SAP18, Buddy Builder create, display, and edit buddies and their implementations. SAP20, Enhancement Builder manage enhancements, including buddy implementations. SAP38, ABAP Editor write code for buddy implementation methods. Benefits of using buddies. Modular design facilitates easier maintenance and extension of SAP applications. Flexibility tailors SAP applications to specific business needs without modifying standard code. Non-modification enhance functionality without altering core SAP code, preserving system integrity. Reusability buddy implementations can be reused across multiple SAP systems, saving development time. Testability, easy testing and debugging ensure the quality of enhanced SAP functionality. Effectively configuring and enhancing SAP ABAP Buddies provides greater control over SAP applications, optimizing them for unique business requirements. Debugging and troubleshooting SAP ABAP Buddies. Debugging and troubleshooting SAP ABAP business add-ins, buddies, can be a challenging task, but it is essential for ensuring that your SAP system is running smoothly and efficiently. Here are some tips for debugging and troubleshooting SAP ABAP Buddies. Understand the buddy implementation. Before you start debugging, it is important to understand how the buddy is implemented. This includes understanding the buddy interface, the methods that are implemented, and the logic of the implementation. Use SAP24 to display the buddy implementation. You can use transaction SAP24 to display the buddy implementation. This will show you the source code of the implementation, as well as the methods that are implemented. Set breakpoints in the buddy implementation. You can set breakpoints in the buddy implementation to stop the program when it reaches a certain point. This can be helpful for debugging specific logic. Use the debugger to step through the code. Once you have set a breakpoint, you can use the debugger to step through the code line by line. This can help you to identify the exact location of the error. Check the call stack. The call stack shows you the sequence of function calls that led to the current point in the program. This can be helpful for understanding how the program got to the current point. Check the system log. The system log can contain valuable information about errors that have occurred. You can search the system log for specific error messages to help you identify the cause of the problem. Use transaction SAM12 to monitor the buddy usage. Transaction SAM12 can be used to monitor the usage of a buddy. This can help you to identify which programs are calling the buddy and which methods are being called. Use transaction SAM50 to monitor the buddy implementation. Transaction SAM50 can be used to monitor the execution of a buddy implementation. This can help you to identify which methods are being called and how long they are taking to execute. Use transaction SAP24 to display the buddy registration. Transaction SAP24 can be used to display the registration of a buddy. This will show you which buddy implementations are active for a given buddy. Use transaction SAP19 to change the buddy registration. Transaction SAP19 can be used to change the registration of a buddy. This can be helpful for testing different buddy implementations. By following these tips, you can effectively debug and troubleshoot SAP ABAP buddies and ensure that your SAP system is running smoothly. Best practices for using SAP ABAP buddies. Business add-ins, buddies, are a powerful tool for customizing and extending SAP applications. They allow you to add new functionality without modifying the original SAP code. Buddies are used in a variety of SAP applications, including SAP ERP, SAP CRM, and SAP SCM. Here are some best practices for using SAP ABAP buddies. Choose the right buddy. There are many different buddies available, so it is important to choose the one that is best suited for your needs. You can use the buddy builder, transaction SAP18, to search for buddies by name, description, or function module. Implement buddies in a modular way. This will make your code easier to read and maintain. You can use classes to implement buddies, and you can also use inheritance and polymorphism. Use meaningful names for buddies, implementations, and methods. This will help you to understand your code and make it easier for others to understand it as well. Document your buddies thoroughly. This will help you to remember what you did and make it easier for others to understand your code. You can use the buddy documentation tool, transaction SAP24, to create documentation for your buddies. Test your buddies thoroughly. This will help you to ensure that they work as expected and that they do not cause any problems with the standard SAP code. Keep your buddies up to date. SAP releases new buddies and updates existing buddies with each support package. You should check for new buddies and updates regularly and apply them to your system as needed. Follow SAP's recommendations for using buddies. SAP has published a number of recommendations for using buddies. You can find these recommendations in the SAP library. By following these best practices, you can ensure that you are using SAP ABAP buddies effectively and efficiently. Troubleshooting buddy-related issues, resolving common challenges. Troubleshooting buddy-related issues, quick guide. Identify the issue, pinpoint the problem by understanding symptoms, error messages, and affected processes. Gather buddy name, triggering event, and relevant details. Check buddy implementation, review code for adherence to SAP guidelines. Look for syntax errors, incorrect method signatures, and interface inconsistencies. Use debugging tools to locate the issue. Verify data integrity, ensure data aligns with buddy's expected format. Check for errors, missing values, and data type inconsistencies. Troubleshoot enhancements, review custom buddy enhancements for compatibility. Ensure custom methods don't disrupt standard SAP functionality. Consult SAP documentation, refer to SAP's documentation and notes for known issues and solutions. Search for SAP notes addressing similar problems. Test and validate, thoroughly test buddy after making changes. Confirm data flows correctly and business processes function as expected. Seek expert assistance. If issues persist, consult experienced SAP consultants or engage SAP support for in-depth analysis and solutions. Preventive measures, regularly review and maintain buddy implementations. Stay updated with SAP releases and conduct periodic testing to ensure smooth processes and data integrity. Advanced features of SAP ABAP Buddies. SAP ABAP Business Add-ins, Buddies, are valuable tools for customizing SAP functionality without altering the original code. They offer flexibility with multi-level implementation options, allowing changes at various system landscape levels. Buddies support multiple independent implementations, enabling collaboration in large projects. They can be context-free or context-dependent, providing control over object plugin creation. Filters and multiple usage options in Buddies allow selective execution based on criteria, and fallback implementations ensure continuous processing. Integrated with the enhancement framework, Buddies are organized within enhancement spots and enhancement implementations, facilitating structured management. Dedicated ABAP statements like get buddy and call buddy make accessing and executing buddies efficient in ABAP programs. With improved performance and stability, the latest buddy versions in the enhancement framework offer a reliable solution for complex customizations. Overall, SAP ABAP Buddies empower developers to align SAP systems with specific business needs, ensuring adaptability to evolving organizational requirements. The future of SAP ABAP Buddies and Business Add-ins. SAP ABAP Business Add-ins, Buddies, are a crucial tool for customizing SAP applications without altering the source code. The future of Buddies looks promising, with SAP's commitment to enhancing their capabilities and extending their use to cloud-based applications like SAP Cloud Platform and SAP S/4HANA. Key trends shaping the future of SAP ABAP Buddies include their increased role in customizing cloud applications, handling more complex customizations, and integrating with various SAP technologies. As SAP applications evolve, Buddies will become even more vital for developers, providing user-friendly tools, enhanced features, and standardized implementations across different applications. In summary, the future of SAP ABAP Buddies is bright, offering developers a powerful and versatile solution for tailoring SAP applications to meet specific business needs. SAP ABAP Buddies certifications. SAP ABAP Buddies, business add-ins, serve as interfaces enabling developers to extend SAP applications without altering the original code. They come in two types: classical, older and discontinued, and new Buddies, which are more flexible. Benefits of using SAP ABAP Buddies. Increased flexibility. Customize SAP applications to meet specific business needs without modifying the original code. Improved maintainability. Buddies are contained in separate objects, making them easier to maintain than traditional code modifications. Reduced development time. Buddies provide a framework for extending SAP applications, saving development time as developers don't have to start from scratch. Certifications available. SAP Certified Application Consultant ABAP Development. SAP Certified Technology Consultant ABAP Development. SAP Certified Development Specialist ABAP Development. To prepare for certification, study SAP ABAP BADI documentation. Take SAP ABAP BADI training courses. Practice with SAP ABAP BADI exams. Additional resources. SAP ABAP BADI Community. SAP ABAP BADI Forum. SAP ABAP BADI Blog. Career opportunities and salary expectations. SAP ABAP Badis in India. Career opportunities in SAP ABAP Badis. SAP ABAP Business Application Development Intermediates, Badis, are a specific type of enhancement framework that allows developers to customize SAP applications without modifying the original source code. This makes ABAP Badis a valuable tool for businesses that need to adapt their SAP systems to their specific needs. As a result, there is a strong demand for SAP ABAP Badi developers in the Indian IT industry. SAP ABAP Badi developers are typically responsible for the following tasks: analyzing and understanding SAP business requirements, designing and developing SAP ABAP Badi solutions, testing and debugging SAP ABAP Badi solutions, documenting SAP ABAP Badi solutions. SAP ABAP Badi developers must have a strong understanding of SAP ABAP programming and the SAP ABAP development environment. They should also have experience with object-oriented programming and design principles. Salary expectations for SAP ABAP Badis in India. The average salary for an SAP ABAP Badi developer in India is around 600,000 rupee per year. However, salaries can vary depending on experience, skills, and location. Experienced SAP ABAP Badi developers with a strong track record of success can earn significantly more. Here are some additional factors that can affect SAP ABAP Badi developer salaries in India. Location. Salaries for SAP ABAP Badi developers are generally higher in major cities such as Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi. Experience. The more experience an SAP ABAP Badi developer has, the higher their salary will be. Skills. SAP ABAP Badi developers with additional skills, such as experience with SAP S/4HANA or SAP Cloud Platform, can command higher salaries. Certifications. SAP ABAP Badi developers with relevant certifications, such as the SAP Certified Development Professional ABAP with SAP NetWeaver 7.0 certification, can earn higher salaries. Overall, the career outlook for SAP ABAP Badis in India is very positive. The demand for SAP ABAP Badi developers is expected to grow in the coming years, and salaries are also expected to rise. Why choose SAP ABAP Badis online training? There are many reasons why you should choose SAP ABAP Badis online training. Here are just a few. Flexibility. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. You can fit your training into your busy life, whether you're working full-time, raising a family, or both. Cost-effectiveness. Online training is often more affordable than traditional classroom training. You can save money on travel and accommodation, and you may also be eligible for discounts or scholarships. Convenience. Online training can be accessed from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This means you can learn from the comfort of your own home or office, and you don't have to worry about commuting to a classroom. Variety of options. There are a wide variety of SAP ABAP Badis online training courses available, so you can find one that fits your specific needs and learning style. You can also choose from a variety of providers, so you can find one that has a good reputation and offers quality training. SAP ABAP Buddies, Business Application Programming Interfaces, are a powerful tool that can be used to extend and enhance SAP applications. By learning how to use SAP ABAP Buddies, you can develop custom solutions that meet the specific needs of your business. SAP ABAP Buddies online training can help you learn the skills you need to develop and implement custom SAP solutions. Here are some of the benefits of taking SAP ABAP Buddies online training. Learn from experienced professionals. SAP ABAP Buddies online training courses are often taught by experienced SAP consultants who have a deep understanding of the subject matter. Gain hands-on experience. SAP ABAP Buddies online training courses often include hands-on exercises and projects that will give you the opportunity to apply what you have learned. Prepare for certification. SAP ABAP Buddies online training courses can help you prepare for the SAP Certified Development Associate SAP ABAP Buddy certification exam. If you are interested in learning more about SAP ABAP Buddies, I recommend taking an SAP ABAP Buddies online training course. There are many great providers that offer high-quality training, so you can find one that meets your needs and budget. Advantages of choosing SAP ABAP Buddies online training. Here are some of the advantages of choosing SAP ABAP Buddies online training. Flexibility. You can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. This is especially beneficial for working professionals who have limited time to commit to traditional classroom training. Cost-effective. Online training is often more affordable than traditional classroom training. This is because there are no overhead costs associated with renting a physical space and providing equipment. Convenience. You can learn from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This is especially beneficial for people who live in remote areas or who travel frequently. Variety of courses. There are a variety of SAP ABAP Buddies online training courses available, so you can find one that fits your specific needs and learning style. Access to expert instructors. You can learn from experienced SAP ABAP consultants and trainers who can provide you with valuable insights and guidance. Opens in a new window www.slideshare.net. SAP ABAP Buddies online training. Overall, SAP ABAP Buddies online training is a great option for anyone who wants to learn about SAP ABAP Buddies in a flexible, cost-effective, and convenient way. Here are some additional advantages of choosing SAP ABAP Buddies online training. You can learn from the comfort of your own home. You can learn at your own pace. You can rewind and replay lectures as needed. You can take breaks whenever you need them. You can access course materials 24/7. You can connect with other students online. You can get feedback from your instructor. You can earn a certificate of completion. If you are considering taking an SAP ABAP Buddies online training course, I encourage you to do your research and find a reputable provider. There are many great online training providers available, so you should be able to find one that meets your needs and budget. Why choose Proexcellency SAP ABAP Buddies online training? Choose Proexcellency for SAP ABAP Buddies online training for these compelling reasons. Expert instructors. Learn from experienced and passionate ABAP professionals who excel in teaching. Comprehensive curriculum. Master ABAP development from basics to advanced topics, ensuring readiness for real-world tasks. Flexible learning. Fit your training into your schedule, learning at your own pace and convenience. Real-world projects. Gain hands-on experience through practical projects, applying knowledge to real scenarios. 24/7 support. Access round-the-clock assistance to address your queries and ensure continuous learning. Affordable pricing. Enjoy high-quality instruction and a comprehensive curriculum at an affordable cost. Proven success. Benefit from Proexcellency's track record of successfully training SAP ABAP developers. Commitment to excellence. Experience a commitment to ongoing improvement with regularly updated curriculum and resources. Enroll with Proexcellency today and embark on your journey to becoming a proficient ABAP developer. Let's connect with us. 08031508687 plus 918722079509. info@proexcellency.com often@proexcellency.com www.proexcellency.com. Thank you.